Hey, have you heard about design of experiments, or DOE?
Yes, I have. It's a scientific method of planning and conducting an experiment that will yield the true cause and effect relationship between the X variables and the Y variables of interest.
What are X and Y variables?
X variables are input variables that affect the output, which is the Y variable. For example, machine speed, temperature, or pressure might be X variables that affect our Y variable.
Why is DOE important?
DOE allows for the study of the effect of many input variables simultaneously, as well as possible interaction effects. It yields a mathematical equation with Y as a function of X. DOE is superior to testing one factor at a time because it is less expensive and because it accounts for interaction between the factors.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's suppose we are working with microwave popcorn, and our goal is to improve the number of good kernels popped. We can run a two-level full factorial DOE where we determine the best settings of power, time, and brand to maximize good kernels popped. These settings would then be validated through additional popcorn popping, and then made a standard.
That's fascinating. Are there different types of DOE?
Yes, there are different types of DOE that can be done depending on the number of variables you have and the nature of the process.
Where can I learn more about DOE?
If you have an interest in learning more about DOE, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.